Y'all do this apple dumpling recipe with Mountain Dew. I promise everybody will love it. First step for this dessert, 1 large Granny Smith apple. So you're gonna go in half again, and then you can take that and half that again. We're looking for 8 pieces of Granny Smith apple. And that's what you're gonna wind up with. Once you get that done, just come in here and lob that 8 pieces. First step. Second step, take your non-stick spray. We like to use beef tallow in your pan. I like disposable pans because this is get a little crusty and nasty and it's gonna be hard to clean up. So you do you, what you got. We like these disposable pans a lot. We're competition people. We use a lot of disposable stuff and it just carries through no matter where we're cooking. So that's one thing of croissant. Just find a place where they come apart. And then what you're going to do is separate your croissant dough. If you let these sit in the truck too long before you get them out, and it's kind of soft, and that's what happened. What you're going to do is you're going to take each piece and you're going to roll these up, and you want to kind of press it around so that it covers all the piece of apple. That's why it doesn't matter if we cut down just a little bit. So that's what it looks like. Oven's ready. Did you hear that? I'm gonna show you one more time. You can roll it from whichever direction you want. Kind of works good from that pointy end, because then you've got all of this extra that you can pull that across. That's perfect. Little apple dumpling. All right, we got our pot of peeled butter and sugar ready to go. No, I was supposed to peel them apples. Yeah, you saw it sitting there. Nobody said a word until I got done. We're gonna roll with it anyway and see what it's like. But peel your apples. That's why this was here. No, seriously, stick and a half of butter, a cup of sugar. Get you about a teaspoon cinnamon. Stir that dude up. Sugary, cinnamony apples, man, that's where it's at. So, now then, this is what we're going to pour over the top. There you go. Just trying to get you some sugar all around, but it ain't over. This is just the beginning. Yes, yes. Mountain Dew. Now, this is a half pan's worth. We don't need a whole Mountain Dew, but look at that. Does that hurt your feelings? Look at that. Be surprised though. This is the key to this whole deal. Right off here into our oven. It's sitting over at 350 degrees. And we're going to set our timer at about 40 minutes. We're going to check it and see what it's like. I think she's ready. Now, it was browning pretty fast at 350. I'm going to be honest with you. I backed it down to 325 about halfway through. And it's done. They're floating in butter. So that extra half stick, you might not need it. But I guarantee you it's gonna be good. Check it out. Alright. I don't know if you can eat this without ice cream. It might be, again, the law. But one thing for sure, these little dumplings sure look good. Now, this ice cream is just some Prairie Farms vanilla, but we had some blackberry cobbler the other day, and what was left, and we just drizzled on through there and made our own blackberry vanilla. And so that's what we're going with today. Get extra bit of that there juju. We're gonna get 2 of these. One from a trusty man behind the camera. Got a little rainbow working from the drill on the floor. So, that's what it looks like. Now for the final deal. I'm just going to try it first without the ice cream. Yes, Lord. Yes! This works. I found this on All Recipes. Nicole did it, but I've had it once before. I can't remember who had it, but I've tried it. Oh, I remember. Darren Wharf, Our Smoky D's made this. It's oh so good. My old boy Ashley, though, he said, wonder what it'd be like with some of that apple chipotle. I said, well, maybe one way to find out. I know it's good that way. Let's see if this enhances it. And I'm going to tell y'all, even though I forgot to peel the apples, it cut through just fine. Can't even tell it. I like the little smoky apple chipotle on there. It's a nice touch, bro. Hey, y'all do this apple dumpling recipe with Mountain Dew. I promise everybody will love it.